Why does Alaska have this bizarre, narrow panhandle, clinging to the Pacific coast? It's not a geographical accident, but the result of imperial ambitions, vague treaties, and a literal gold rush. The story begins in the late 18th century. Russian explorers, primarily driven by the lucrative fur trade, were the first Europeans to claim the coast of what is now Alaska. They established their first permanent settlement in 1784 and expanded their trading posts along the coast. At the same time, the British Empire was pushing westward across North America. To avoid conflict over this strategic coastline, Russia and Britain signed the Anglo-Russian Treaty of 1825. This treaty gave Russia a coastal strip, or lisière, but its language was dangerously vague. It defined the border as following the summits of the mountains situated parallel to the coast, but not to exceed 10 marine leagues, about 56 kilometers, inland. The problem? The coastline is a complex maze of fjords and inlets, and in many areas, there are no distinct mountain ranges near the coast. After the United States purchased Alaska from Russia in 1867, this ambiguity didn't matter much until gold was discovered in the Klondike region of Canada in 1896. Suddenly, access to the sea from the goldfields became critical. Canada, then part of the British Empire, argued the 10 marine leagues should be measured from the outer islands, giving them control of key inlets like the Lynn Canal, the gateway to the Klondike. The U.S. insisted the line should follow the winding mainland coast. With tensions rising, the dispute was sent to an international tribunal in 1903. The panel consisted of 3 Americans, 2 Canadians, and 1 British official, Lord Alverstone. To the fury of the Canadians, Lord Alverstone sided with the American argument. The Canadian representatives were so outraged by what they saw as a betrayal that they refused to sign the final award. The decision solidified the border, leaving the long, jagged panhandle as a permanent feature of the United States and a lasting legacy of the diplomatic showdown.